If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. Hope you enjoyed my last recipe video. That was gluten-free oats uttapam. Were savory pancakes made out of oats. As told in my previous video, this snack tastes best when served with a special tomato chutney. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this easy peasy tomato dip. You can make and keep it in your fridge for a couple of days.
Please note the ingredients needed to make this tomato chutney. List is also given in description box. So first of all, we will heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan on medium heat. To it, add in chopped onion and chopped green chilies. You may chop them roughly. Add little bit of cumin seeds here. And cook these onions and green chilies on medium heat only for about 2 minutes till the onions are little translucent and somewhat golden to look at. At this stage, add in roughly chopped tomato and salt to your taste. If you like this chutney hot, add in some red chili powder to your taste. Now mix everything well and cover this and cook it on medium-low heat. Covering with a small tight lid ensures that the cooking time is reduced and the tomatoes turn mushy. And also the vegetables retain the moisture. So this is what it looks like after about 4 minutes. Remove from the heat and let it cool down. Once cool properly, grind it into a paste. I did not add any water to this. If it's hard for you, add in few teaspoons of water to this. Now this chutney is ready. Taste the spice level and salt. If you want, you can add lemon juice or a pinch of sugar at this stage. So when it's ready, let's temper this chutney. For that, heat 1 teaspoon of oil on medium heat. Add in some mustard seeds. When the seeds splutter, add a few curry leaves to this. So I had dry curry leaves. If you have fresh ones, they taste the best in this chutney. Stir fry and the leaves will also turn a bit golden. Now this is ready. And top off the chutney with this fried curry leaves and mustard seeds. And easy peasy delicious tomato chutney is ready. This can be stored in fridge for about 4 to 5 days. And enjoy this with your savory pancakes, dosas, crepes, uttapam or any other snack of your choice. Thanks for watching.